Pasangla. Now, Unga Shruti ma'am, and today we're going to discuss a very important question of the day. But before that, for all updates and notifications, definitely do scan the QR code and join our community. Now, today's question is, what is the difference or define spermiogenesis and spermiation? Now, it's very easy to get confused between these terminologies. So, understand properly that in the process of spermatogenesis, we have the spermatogonia that is going to undergo meiosis 1, meiosis 2 and ultimately produce a normal cell which is haploid in nature called a spermatid. Now, this spermatid has to convert into the normal spermatozoa-like structure. So this process of changing the spermatid to a spermatozoa or a sperm is called as spermiogenesis. But during this process, this spermatid or the spermatozoa will be attached to the Sertoli cells. Now, once this process is complete, this process of spermiogenesis is complete, this spermatozoa will now be released into the seminiferous tubule. So this process of releasing it from the Sertoli cells and it entering in the seminiferous tubule is what we call as spermiation. So in the process of spermatogenesis, once the meiosis is complete, spermatid becoming spermatozoa is spermiogenesis. Then the spermatozoa releasing is called as spermiation. So together with this, the spermatogenesis will be complete. Okay, so don't get confused between the terminologies and understand it very clearly. So I hope this was useful to you, and our crash course is now live for the online course. Now for offline, if you want to boost up your revision and get prepared for NEET in just 30 days, you can join our exclusive crash course starting March 27th. So this particular crash course, you can contact this number and attend our crash course at Coimbatore, Tirchi or Tirunelveli, and you can also join our online crash at just 4,275 with the code XPL10. Now classes have already started, but definitely you can take use of this opportunity and boost your score in the last minute. Okay, and if you would like, you can attend a free coaching, okay, at our offline centers for just 1 week. So definitely do call this number, visit your closest center, Coimbatore, Tirchi or Tirunelveli, and get to know the relevant details and start your preparation. Okay, so don't wait for anything. Start now and let's, make 2026 our year. All the best.